Ha,
One,
name
ten,
of the,
hundred, thousand, 10,000, like that it was.
yes. In the
And
note,
definition of
in
that.
the starting place value definition was there, and even name of the places, which were very important. Because yesterday also I have told that name of the places are very important. So kindly learn. And in the boys class also, especially I have given the whole lecture that they can learn. And they were I was telling them to read again and again so that they can learn name of the places because it is very important. So again, I'm taking one two students that who will just revise the name of the places. So those who want to read or say anything means give the answer. Those who want to take part, they can write their name in the chat box. Then Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan will tell me the name of the students. So Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan, if you get the name, just tell me one.
Yes. First name is Saima Junaid Hasmani.
Okay. Hasmani Saima, you can revise that name of the places.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you can start from once. Say orally. Okay, I'm not showing that, but just say orally.
Ones, ten, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh.
Huh.
And cut.
Yes. Okay. Now next name Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan. Are you telling me Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan?
Yes, ma'am. Insia Bohra.
Okay. Bohra Inchia. You can also say name of the places orally. That other students will just carefully listen. And you can also revise.
Okay. Ones, ones,
Hmm.
tens, hundreds, hundreds, thousand, thousand, 10,000, uh, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore.
Okay. Good. So these were the name of the places, and using that only we will start this chapter. So notes I have already given. So I'm just explaining this definition that place value of any digit, that one. Hmm. So yesterday I have explained about this that if I say I give you two example, so I have written few numbers which are different also, but something is common. So who will say I have written some numbers? You just have to observe that which digits I have used to form a number.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, I'm.
1, 3, and 5 are common numbers.
Yes. So I have used 1, 3, and 5. That three digits I have used 1, 3, and 5. And then I have put at different places. Then I form a number. Now who will read all the four numbers that
मैम
like
लिखना है.
513 like that?
Insia
मैम कैन
Bohra
आई
Inchi.
से?
Yes, Inchi, Bohra
मैम
Inchi.
लिखना है.
No, you don't have to write like that.
513, 315, 153, and 135.
Yes, these numbers are different 513, 315, 153, 135. But the common is that I have formed this using 1, 3, and 5. So here, first we will see that 5 is at which place. I'm using other color.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Who is asking?
Me,
Me means I don't know who.
Suhana Balwan.
I was knowing that it was you only. Suhana, every day I'm just giving the same instruction that whenever you have to write, I will write instruction on my screen. Right now, just pay attention and understand. Don't write. So say together, everyone, that in this first number, 5 is at which place?
100
100 place.
place.
Then in second,
Ones place.
Place.
1. Then here,
Place.
Tens.
and here,
Ones
Place.
place.
yes.
Ones place.
Yes. In the first one at hundreds place, then ones place, then tens place, then again ones place. So if I give you 4 option, that you have 4 option, like your mother has given you 4 option that how much money you want. So which is more and which you will select? Which is the more?
513.
13. 513. 513.
513.
So why the value of 513 is more? Because at hundreds place the greatest digit is there. Means from 135, which is the greatest digit? 135.
I.
5.
5.
And which is the greatest place ones, tens and hundred? Which is the
100.
greatest place? 100.
100.
Yes. Of course that 100 is the greatest place and 5 is the greatest digit. So at greatest digit, greatest place is there. At greatest place, greatest digit is there. That's why this number is the greatest. Okay, that's why place is very important. Then only we can know the value. कोई भी डिजिट या कोई भी नंबर की वैल्यू हमें प्लेस के ऊपर से पता चलती है दैट इट इज एट विच प्लेस कोई भी डिजिट कौन सी प्लेस पे है देन ओनली वी कैन नो द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट डिजिट so is this clear? Name of the chapter is place value. Understood the meaning of name of the chapter? Place value.
Yes, ma'am.
Value of any digit we can know through the place only. Okay? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So that is the name of the chapter, that a value of any digit we can know through the place only, that it is at which place. If it is at ones place, if it is at tens place or hundreds place, then only we can know the value of that. So this is the same definition. This is the name of the places which I told you last time to learn. And this is that table. This was also given in yesterday's PDF. And did you do know that homework? This was the homework yesterday I've given.
I have done in Shabora.
Okay, good. If you have done the homework I have given yesterday, that you can write in the fair book, and it was very less also. So hope everyone has written. So I'm explaining now from the question only.
Ma'am, we have to write that in fabric.
Right now you don't have to write. Whenever I give a message in the WhatsApp group, yesterday I have given the message in your WhatsApp group that this is your homework. So only that many. Don't write too much. Just less. Right now again I'm explaining. Don't write. Now Keshwani Fatima Mehendi said give me one name for reading the heading.
Bodiwala Mariam.
Okay. Bodiwala Mariam, you can read the heading if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Question 1. Give the place value of the
Underlined.
underlined digit.
So in our textbook, means I have sent the PDF of textbook. In that textbook PDF, it is given like this. I am showing how it is given. It is given like this, that give the place value of colored digit. We can use colors, that's why I have given that underline digit. And the same questions I have given. You can see in the first question A, Now next time Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hasan.
Yes, ma'am. Keshwani Fatima Muhammad Taqi.
Now Keshwani Fatima Zehra Mohammad Taqi, you can tell me that in that question 1A, which digit is color?
9.
9. So 9 is, you can see that it is red colored and other digits are black colored.
Yeah.
So same way in our question also, I have given the same way that in this first question, Keshwani Fatima Zehra Mohammad Taqi, you tell me which digit is underlined?
9.
9. So I have just underlined instead of coloring. So we can find the place value of only that underlined digit. Now I'm teaching everyone that how we will find place value of that underlined digit.
Yeah.
So here you can see that 9 is underlined. So now first we will see that it is at which place. So I'm giving 30 seconds, just think, okay, 9 is at which place. Start from here. It is one's place. It is tens place.
Thousands.
Don't say anything. This will
Ma'am,
just
this
think.
is 9 lakh.
Arey bhai, who is saying the answer? I say don't say the answer. I have given the thinking time then also. Very bad. Now
Sorry,
this,
ma'am.
no problem. Now this is another instruction that no one will say the answer directly, that other students can think. अगर कोई एक स्टूडेंट आंसर बोल देगा तो बाकी स्टूडेंट कैसे सोचेंगे? हाँ, so now everyone again think that 9 is at which place using this name of the places which we have learned. Now Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hasan, give me next name.
Yes, ma'am. Qureshi Fatima Naushad Bhai.
And who was calling me? Okay. Qureshi Fatima, you can tell me that in this question 1A, which digit is underlined and it is at which place? Qureshi Fatima. Qureshi Fatima, are you there? And one more instruction in boys I have given, because boys normally do that they join the Google Meet, they don't leave, but they even go for washroom, and then I just calling them and they didn't answer. Yesterday also it happened. So whenever you go now for washroom or anything, so just write in the chat box that I'm coming back in few minutes. Or you can tell me orally, like, excuse me, ma'am, I'm coming back in few minutes, that I can know I should call you or not. Qureshi Fatima, are you there? Okay, next name, Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hasan.
Yes, ma'am. Pathan Zehra Banu.
Okay, Pathan Zehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know that 9 is at which place? This is which place?
Yes, ma'am.
So say,
1000.
you tell me the
1000.
name of the places.
What,
You
ma'am?
tell me name of the places from ones, tens, hundred, that way. All the name of the
1000.
Nee, all the
1000.
name of the, you tell me all the name of the places. Ones, tens, that way, all.
Ones,
Huh?
tens,
Huh?
100,
Hmm.
1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore.
Okay. So tell me again. Ones.
Ones, tens, 100,
Yes.
1000,
Yes.
10,000,
Yes.
lakh, 10 lakh,
Okay. So 9 is at which place?
lakh.
Huh. So now next time, you can, if you can't say orally, means without doing any rough work, then first write this question in rough book, write name of the places, and then see कि 9 कौन सी place पे है. Okay, Patan Zehra.
Lakh.
Yes, ma'am.
So 9 is at lakhs place. So I have given one table also in the this one, that whichever digit is at lakhs place, to find place value
Zainab
is.
ma'am,
Yes.
this is right my fair book.
What?
मतलब मैंने लिख लिया है.
Okay, good. But before a few minutes, why you are not giving reply? Means I was calling you.
Ma'am, I have go washroom.
But next time whenever you go washroom, just write in the chat box that I'm coming back in few minutes, or you can tell me orally that I am
Yes,
coming back
ma'am.
in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, whatever.
Okay, ma'am.
So like suppose here two headings are given, place and place value. Place is suppose lex place. So if you want to know the place value of that digit, like here at lex place 9 is there. So to find place value, what you do? You do just multiply by 1 lakh. Then you will get the place value. So 9 multiply by 1 lakh. What will be the answer? Say it together. Say together. What will be the place value of this?
9
Huh.
lakh.
And how many zeros are there in 9 lakhs? How many zeros?
5.
You all can, huh. You all can say together that 9 is at lakhs place. So place value will be 9 lakh. But how many zeros shall I put?
5.
5.
Yes.
5.
And suppose that if you don't know that how many zeros you have to put, so shortcut is that after that digit, how many zeros are, how many digits are there in the question?
5.
In the question also after 9, 5 digits are there, so put 50. This is shortcut if you don't know the how many zeros are there in 9 lakh. So now do you want to solve other by yourself? Then we will again match the
Yes, ma'am.
answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
We
who are
should.
trying? Who wants to try by themselves in the fair book?
Ma'am, I want to try.
Okay. So first
I
try in the fair book. Ah. And when I write in short FB, so it is fair book, and RB means rough book. This is fair book.
What we have to write?
In fair book, yes.
No, ma'am. What we have to? Zainab ma'am, मैंने लिख लिया था मेरा. तो मैं क्या करूँ?
Rough book, in the rough book.
Okay. We have to write this place and place value.
हाँ.
Okay, I have write in fair book.
You can write this question one.
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
Yes, of course. Questions with black pen, answer with blue pen. And if you
Question
are
with
using
black
only
pen.
one pen, then everything with the blue.
Okay. And ma'am, we can use marker. Sorry, marker what? That
Highlighter, that I think so you asked me yesterday about highlighter.
whitener. See, whitener. We can use.
That Saima also asked me yesterday, and I told her that you can use in the fair book, but don't make it habit, and don't use in the
Yes. By mistake.
answer paper, means in examination, because in exams it is not allowed. Only in exam it is not allowed.
Okay. Ma'am,
Hmm.
we have two pen.
You can use the
Right.
two pen, black and blue. Black for the
Okay.
question, blue for the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have blue pen.
Oh. Then just write the question with black pen and write answer with pencil. Then afterward rub that and then use the blue pen after buying. Is this
Yes.
clear? Or do you have any other doubt?
Clear. And ma'am, please send this PDF in the group. So we
I
can
think so. Notes I have given yesterday's homework, and maybe this will be today's homework for others those who have not joined. So for them, obviously, I will send today. And other students, your fair book is maintained, no? How much I have given the fair book till now? Maths assignment I have given, bridge course assignment I had given in the home means fair book.
yes,
And
ma'am.
Ma'am,
then
we have to
yesterday,
write question in black, no?
ha,
See, first of all, you have given the maths bridge course, question number 1,
then
2,
note. Then
3,
yesterday, ha,
and
Ma'am, my work is finished.
three,
then yesterday,
five, 6. Then full assignment we have done. Then tomorrow you have given the lesson number 1 place value.
notes I had given. Yes, yesterday I had given notes after bridge course assignment. Yesterday I had given notes that you can finish in the fair book, and then we will start this now. Exercise 1A. Now I think so. Enough time I had given, or still you are writing? Are you writing still? Shall I wait or not?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
5 minutes.
And if,
Ma'am,
shall I wait?
5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes.
Ma'am, 5 minutes.
That many I can't give. That much time I can't give. But try to write
Ma'am,
fast.
Yes, 2
2 minutes.
minutes.
And at least as compared to boys, girls are writing with me and they are maintaining the fair book so good. So whenever there will be fair book checking or something, so you can do from the fair book. And even whenever there will be exam also, fair book will be helpful for you.
Yes, I can when I don't have textbook and I can see that with the fair book. We can do that.
Obviously, exam time it will be helpful for everyone. So just maintain the fair book.
Ma'am, we have to write only question
Ma'am.
1, no?
Yes.
Ma'am,
And solve
ma'am,
also. Try to solve B, C, D, E. Yes, Sakina.
मेरे मेरे पास है ना रफ बुक फेयर बुक लाया नहीं है इसलिए मैंने रफ बुक में लिखा है वो कि चलेगा
हाँ
फिर
चलेगा but afterward then complete
फिर
afterwards.
अभी मैं स्कूल फिनिश होगी न, तब मैं लेने ही जाती हूँ फेयर बुक को
Okay. हाँ then you can maintain it and complete it.
ओके मैम ओके
Still how much time you want everyone? 2
Ma'am,
minutes.
done.
मैम
Done also.
Done.
Very good. Who has done?
Done.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Ilsha Bohra.
माय वर्क इज डन
Ma'am, my
And
work
say
is
your name
also
also. And say your name also because I can't recognize the voice easily.
done, ma'am.
Balran Suwana, ma'am, may I? Done.
Okay, good. So 2, 3 students told me
Bohra
that
ki
enough time.
done.
Ma'am,
Done.
I have done.
Ishwari
My
Fateh
work is
Mehta also done.
Good. Okay. So now we are starting. Other students can finish until we are doing this. Now, Keshwani Fatima Mehendi has a next name.
Yes, ma'am. Bhimani Kulsum Zehra.
Bhimani Kulsum, you have to tell me in this question B,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
digit is underlined and it is at which place also.
Black. Sam black.
So 3 is underlined and it is at 10 lakhs place. Okay, very good. Now you can mute your mic. And next name, Keshwani Fatima Mehendi Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Next name is Saima Hasmani.
But I think so her turn has come. Saima, your turn has come, no, today?
Yes, ma'am.
So next name.
Yes, ma'am. Qureshi Fatima.
Okay. Qureshi Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now Bhimani Kulsum said that here in question B, 3 is underlined and it is at 10 lakhs place. So what is the place value of these 3?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me what should I write in the answer. Here 9 was at 10 lakhs place, so I have written 9 lakh. Now 3 is at 10 lakhs place. So what should I write? And those who still have problem, they can do this. That here suppose 9 was underlined, so after that 5 digits were there. So put 50. And here 3 is given underline. After that, how many digits are there? Fatima?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, lakh.
No, 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Huh. So what should I write?
I tell.
Yes.
I
Say together now.
Ilsha Bora.
30 lakh.
Ma'am,
30 lakh.
0.
How many?
30 lakh. 30 lakh.
Good. Now next name.
Ma'am,
Kechani
60. Ma'am, 60.
हाँ.
Ma'am. Ma'am, no one's name is there.
Okay.
I tell Ilsha Bora.
Now let's repeat the name. So just write the name again if your turn has even come. If it has already come, then also.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, now how much
Ma'am,
time is
can I
left?
say? Ma'am, can I say?
Who, Rajani Nida, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Nida, you tell me.
Ilsha Bora.
No, now don't disturb. Let me talk with Nida. Rajani Nida, you can tell me in this question C, which is underlined.
3,000.
This 3 is underlined and it is at thousands place. So place value will be 3000. So in 3000, how many zeros are there? Nida?
3.
Yes. 30. Very good. Very good. Now next name, Keshwani Fatima Mehendi Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Saima Hasmani.
Saima, you can tell me in this question D, which place is underlined? Sorry, which digit is underlined?
2.
2 is underlined. And it is at which place?
Crore.
Yes. So what will be the place value of that and how many zeros will be there?
7 zeros.
Yes. Now next name.
Yes, ma'am. Bordiwala Mariam.
Okay. Bodiwala Mariam, you can tell me that in question E, which digit is underlined?
Yes, ma'am. 10,000.
So here 1 is underlined and it is at 10,000 place. So answer will be 10,000. And Mariam, in 10,000, how many zeros are there?
4.
4, yes. And even when we have to put the comma, that I will teach you later. But I think so you all know that here after 3 digit we put the comma. So match your answer everyone and say your name if your answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Say your
My
name.
answer is correct. Is right.
Mama.
Just say your name, Insia Bohra. Then
Saima Hasmani.
okay, Saima. 2.
Bodiwala Mariam.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Tanzera Banu.
Qureshi Fatima, Pathan Zehra. Okay.
Fatima Zehra.
Okay.
I mean
Okay.
Zehra Kishmani.
Pojani Insia Fatima Muhammad Raza. My
Suhana
answer is
Pahalwan. Wakil Nahya Fatima.
My answer
Okay.
is right. Zehra Kishwani.
Okay. Okay. So now we will see next question. I think so 10 minutes are left. So let's try to finish this also. Now Keshwani, Fatima Mehndi, and you tell me next name for reading the heading.
Yes, sir. Next name is Fatima Zehra Kishwani.
Okay. Keshwani Fatima Zehra, you can read the heading.
Question number 2. Give the word from, form, and the
Yes.
noting from the this numbers.
Huh. So give the word from. It is not from, so it is from. Word from. Means word form means that we have to write in words. Like sometime the question is that write in figure. Write in figure means write in numbers. Write word form means write in words. And even the expanded notation. So we will see that one also, but first we will see write in words. How can we read anything? Okay, so I'm giving one example, and then it will be easy. Okay, now everyone will help me to write the name of the places. So we will start from here. 8 is at which place?
one place.
One.
Then
Ten.
One.
Ten.
10,
Hundred.
100.
Thousand.
Thousand.
Thousand. 10,000.
10,000. 10,000. Lakh.
okay. So whenever we have to write in words, so if you are okay without the writing name of the place, if it is easy for you, then you can do without these places. But suppose if you, whose mic is everyone mute the mic, even the captain also, so that I can teach without disturbance. Huh. So whenever you have to write in words, suppose the heading is write in words. Suppose the heading is that write in words. So at that time you can use the name of the places. Like we have just now written the name of the places. So at that time what you have to do? First write the name of the places with pencil. Then start from left side, from here. And wherever the commas, there you put this kind of line. And now we will read. So we will start from this side. Okay? So just say this part. 2. Which digit is here? 2. And which place is this?
Lakh.
Lakh.
So combine.
Lakh.
So after
34.
okay. Now after knowing and after finding that it is which digit and which place, we will combine that. 2, then lakh. Okay, we will combine that. 2 lakh. Then next is this. So how much is this?
34,000.
And then this place is 1000. So 34 and then combine. So 1000. 34,000. Then here also there will be 1 point. Now combine this one also. Digits and the place. So how you will read? 500. Okay, digit is 5 and place is 100. 500. And this you have to just read without the places. 78. So now read whole number together. 2,34,578.
4,578.
1,578.
Okay, so if you have any problem when you write a name of any number, means when you write any number in words, so if you have problem then only use the name of the places. But if it is easier for you, then you can do without name of the places. So for it is only for the student who find that it is hard, they can use name of the places. First write the name of the places like this, and then divide the number and then read like this, that 2,34,578. Again I'm showing.
मैम आप पीडीएफ में भेज दोगे?
Yes.
ओके मैम.
So again I'm teaching. Read that digit and the place together. So this is digit and this is place. So 2 lakh. Then 34. Then this is 1,000. This is 500 and this is you have to read without places. So 78. So is this clear? This question also? How to
Yes.
write in words?
Yes, ma'am.
Other
Yes, ma'am.
student?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
question 2 we will do next time. Because right now only 5 minutes are there. So if I will give you time also to solve by yourself that you can try, then also time will be up. So tomorrow I will give the time also. First we will revise that name of the places, and this time some other students will revise that name of the places. And who is showing this Asmani Saim, or who is showing this book?
Keshwani Fatima Zahra.
Okay, huh.
This
Okay,
much
good.
assignment
Even,
and
even with the pen also your handwriting is good. So
Ma'am.
good.
and from your
And
reading lesson number
Ma'am,
1, place.
my handwriting is good.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not sure my handwriting is good or not.
With a pen also your handwriting is good.
And we have till this you have given the
Question two
one
you
so
write
and
tomorrow. Okay,
then
okay. That is notes. Okay. This is that notes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, what?
what I said? Question number next.
What? Question number?
We will do in next lecture.
Question 2 we will do in next lecture, because right now we don't have time that we can solve. I can give the time to you that you can copy. So just you can do by
Yes,
yourself, means
ma'am.
you can copy the question, then I will explain again and then we will solve. And those who already understood just now I've explained, so they can do, means they can try. Because just now I've explained the half part which was right in words. The other part that is expanded, that is left. Okay, so just maintain the fair book till
Yes,
question 1
ma'am.
that we had done today. Question 2 will start next time. I think so. Tomorrow my lecture is not there. Now directly Monday. So we will start on Monday. Question number 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Have a
bye.
nice day.
You have a nice day and take care of yourself also.